teachers. In this lab, students are going to study the concepts of buoyancy, surface area, and also skip counting by tens and hundreds. The way this works is each student is given 1 square foot of aluminum foil. Try to get one of the heavier duty aluminum foils, not a really thin one, because they have to make a boat that will float as many pennies as possible. The first thing I did was put my students in pairs, and I asked them to think about the concept of making a boat out of foil. This I would call the research or design phase of what the STEM cycle is. So they have to talk with their partner about the best way to make a boat out of that sheet of aluminum foil that will float as many pennies as possible. Once they've come up with their idea, I then gave every student their aluminum foil and they went to the build phase where they actually made a boat. The next phase was testing, and for that we needed a tub of water and we also needed some pennies. Now these are 10 bags and each bag contains 10 pennies. These bags each contain 50 pennies. So as the students are going through this, we start adding groups of 10 and the students count with me to see how much their boat could float. 10 cents, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and then we take those out and we put in 100 pennies, 2 rolls. Then we can start adding tens, 110, 120, 130, so on, until we get to 200. So we have sets of 100 and sets of 10, and the students are skip counting by tens up until their boat sinks. So that's the testing phase. After that, we go to the evaluation phase. I put all of the boats on the floor from the one that floated the least amount of pennies to the one that floated the greatest. So we kind of made a boat number line. And then I asked the students, what it is about the boats that floated the best that you think caused them to float the best? What's different about their designs? And many of the students came up with the idea of surface area of the boat. The surface area on the water seems to affect how much it will float. Then we go to the final phase of the STEM cycle, improvement. So on the second day, they went back, knowing what they know now, they wanted to see if they could build a better boat. So this takes them all the way through. And you can cycle through the STEM instructional cycle as many times as you want to extend this lab as far as you want to. But each time the students got better and better at understanding the concepts of buoyancy, surface area, and also at skip counting. So let's take a look at how this worked in the classroom. Okay. Oh, you made it double layer, didn't you? To make it stronger. So here we go.
No, over there.
It's kind of crooked.
10. Count with me.
20.
Okay, now I'm going to take those out and put in 50. What's next after 50 when we count them by tens? 60.
70, 80, 90, 100.
When we take that out, here's 100. 110.
130. Oh, look at the bottom. No.
So long, Captain. 140 is your record. 160.
Oh, it's gonna break the record for sure.
Uh-oh. I'm going to need some more pennies.
We're gonna break the record, guys.
This says 100. I'll trust it. So, let me take out these now.
If I hold it, I'm gonna be so proud of us.
So, here's 100. And what's 50 and 50?
100.
So that's 100, 200,
Oh, that much.
310,
It's gonna.
320. We're going down, Captain!
We got 320. No.
This was 20 cents. We go up to 90 cents it floated, $1.40, $2 here in the middle, the one that's shaped like a pillow, were over $3, and the one that floated the most is $3.60. Tell me what you noticed about